Hi, my name is Victoria, and I will be teaching you how to apply access control list in your network. And this ACL will be applied in the router. So, let's get started. First click on the router, then type access list, then give a number. Then, type the decision, either permit or deny. Next, type TCP if the protocol you use is under TCP layer, or UDP if you use protocol that is under UDP layer. Use host IP address to give decision for one user. To access the FTP server, the number of FTP server is 21. PC 30.15 and the network 192.168.10.0 will be able to access FTP server, while the rest will be blocked. Now work on HTTP server. Permit PC 10.5, network 192.168.90.0 and deny all from browsing. IP is used if you want to allow or block PC to ping each other. Apply the ACL in the ports as shown. Note, if you want to apply one time, use FA1/0 and let it be in instead of out. Now test the ACL. Thank you for watching.